In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPad not charging. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, if your iPad's not charging, it's usually because of a few different things. So firstly is clearing any debris. So you want to look for your charging port, turn off your iPad fully, and then use a wooden or plastic toothpick, never metal, and gently scrape the bottom and corners of the port. And you're going to be surprised as to how much fuzz comes out of a USB-C or lightning port, which is going to be right there. And plug the cable back in and you should feel a distinct click. Once you feel that click, that's how you know it's going to be charging. Now, iPads are also power hungry, so if the screen says not charging next to the battery icon, that means your power source is too weak. So make sure you're actually using a proper high wattage wall adapter compared to trying to charge your iPad through a laptop port or anything like that. And sometimes the software that manages the battery freezes and stops expecting a charge. So what you want to do is force a restart on your iPad. So long press your power button at the top and your volume button on the right and just wait for it to reset, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.